Hey yo, what's up YouTube? Today, Zayden is going to Melbourne. Oh, I also shaved my moustache off, so a bit weird. It wasn't really a moustache, more like a pedo stuff. Anyways, I'm going to Melbourne. Yep, you heard that right. Well, more like tonight at 10 o'clock. Catching the bus down, which is going to be great. Never done that before. I've got the train and the bus, but not the bus. Well, bus and the train, but not, yeah. Anyways, I brought this a while back. So, I'll probably be using that, wear it on my head, you know. I got my stand. Oh, why is the screen turned off? My stand. Shove that underneath the camera. I've got batteries, you know, the setup. Anyways, so I'll probably record that and put it on YouTube, yeah. Don't know if this will be a separate video, but yeah. Goodbye. Yo! What's up, YouTube? Today's Aiden's on a bridge with Angel. And it's night time. And we've got traffic. Don't know how much you can hear, but yeah. We're waiting for the bus to go to Melbourne. That's right. The bus all the way to Melbourne. At 10. And right now it's 7:20. We've got a while to go. I guess I'll see you either on the bus or at Midway's break or in Melbourne. What's up, YouTube? We're on the bus now. Don't know if you can see me, but we're on the bus with Angel. We're on the bus. Yeah, we made it. Had to wait in town for 5 hours, but we made it to the bus. Alright, you might see some segments of the trip, but I'll probably be sleeping, so bye. Alright guys, so we made it to Melbourne, and the bus ride was so hectic compared to what I thought it was. We met this guy, a lot of guys. There was Via, there was Kevin, there was Mason, there was Charlie, and we all just became best friends on this bus. Angel's still here. We kept her for the journey, even though these guys were better. But
I was literally the one that organised this trip. What are you talking
anyways,
about?
and then the guys were talking to the ones next to us, and the guys in front of us listening, and they just joined, you know. So yeah, it was a good bus ride. But now we're in the city. We're in Melbourne City. So she just had a Starbucks because she had to be like an aesthetic white girl or something. But yeah, so oh no, I got caught. Anyways, we're gonna be, I don't know, doing something now. I'll update you in a minute. Goodbye. Alright guys, so we're still in Melbourne. We decided to go to St Kilda Beach. Yeah, started raining as well. I got some shells to take back to my siblings. There's Angel. She'll feel a bit cold. And there's the ocean and the beach. Against St Kilda. Oi, isn't this the pub that the guy got kicked out of for wearing a Make America Great Again hat? You know what I'm talking about? Pretty sure this is the pub right here. Yeah. I support the guy wearing the hat, not the pub. Anyways, see you with the next segment. We made it to the train.
No.
Yay. Very stressful day at a certain point, but we won't get into that. But yeah, hopefully I can get some sleep now. And Angel might get some sleep as well. Where is she? There she is. Oh, that's scary. Oh, that's scarier. Anyways, you might see me when we get to Swan Hill. We're back to Mildura. Goodbye. Why isn't this working? Editing Zayden here. This is my third time recording this. If it doesn't work this time, someone's going to pay. Anyways, I accidentally deleted the last clips for the video. But it was just me explaining that we got back to Mildura safe, having a cry about missing Kevin and Via and Mason and Charlie. And yeah, got picked up by my nan. Went to Nan's house. She has a spare room, 2 beds, you know. Stayed there. Nan took Angel home and then me home on her way to wherever she was going. And yeah, that was the trip. I was going to record more, but I forgot. And also I left my head mount that I showed at the start of the video in my room. So that sucked. But anyways, it was hectic at the end. We had a little mess up and we got on the train 5 minutes or whatever before I left. So anyways, I want to show you guys something. Only 40.3 of you guys aren't subscribed. You know what you need to do? You need to make sure you smash that subscribe, like button, share, show your friends, show your dog, show your mum, show your nan. What's this button do? Oh good. And yeah. Anyways. Goodbye.